Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Abu Bakar Ahmad. I am studying UGQ class. I am 6 years old. I come from Perumanna. Today I will tell you a beautiful story. The Prophet and the little birds. One day, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was traveling with his Sahaba. They saw a small nest on a tree. The Sahabi took two tiny baby birds from the nest to look at them. The mother bird came flying fast. She was very scared and crying for her babies. When our Prophet ﷺ saw this, he felt very sad for the bird. He said, "Who took the baby? Please put them back. Please put them back." The Sahabi quickly returned baby birds to the nest. The mother bird became calm and happy again. Our Prophet ﷺ always showed mercy, not only to people but also to animals and birds. Thank you for listening to my story. Let us all be kind and gentle to animals. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.